In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open or preview zip and RAR files directly in Google Drive without the need to download the entire archive. We'll go through a variety of tools and techniques that help you accomplish this in a few simple steps. Now, let's dive straight into it. First up, let's talk about using the Zip extractor, a handy app in Google Workspace. To get started, you'll need to install Zip extractor from the Google Workspace Marketplace. After that, locate the archive file in your drive, whether it's a zip, RAR, or even a 7Z file. Simply right-click on it, then navigate to Open With and select Zip extractor. Once it's loaded, you'll get an organized list of all the files contained in the archive. You have the option to preview any file right there or download individual files instead of extracting the entire archive. And if you decide you do want to extract, you can selectively unzip certain files or everything into a new folder within your drive. What's great about Zip Extractor is that all this work is done client-side, meaning your data remains secure and doesn't get uploaded to an external server. Next, consider using a web app like ZipDoc. Head over to zipdoc.so, where you can use the Open Zip File function to browse through the contents of your archive. The cool thing here is that you can download specific files or even save certain files directly to your Google Drive. ZipDoc ensures your data privacy by not permanently saving the entire archive to their server, only the parts you choose to work with. Another approach involves browser-based tools, such as EasyZip or DimTools Zip Extractor. These types of tools are incredibly useful for opening zip files directly in your browser. Since they operate client-side, you don't need to send any data to a remote server, keeping your files secure. DimTools, for example, can handle zip files up to about 100 MB in size, showing you a detailed file tree and allowing you to download just what you need. Keep in mind, you'll have to first download the zip file from Drive to your local browser, without saving it to your hard drive, and then drop it into the extraction tool. Finally, let's talk about a Chrome extension called Unzip. This extension is versatile, supporting a variety of archive formats like zip, RAR, 7Z, and tar. With Unzip, you'll be able to preview the folder tree and decompress any archive locally within your browser. It's a perfect solution if you'd rather not download large archives in their entirety and only want specific files. Each of these methods offers a seamless way to manage your compressed files in Google Drive, minimizing the need for downloads and maximizing your efficiency. Whichever tool you choose, you now have the knowledge to handle large zip or RAR files more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more detailed guidance on each tool.